Hey guys, this is EAS Guy back at it again with another scenario. Please like and subscribe, it really means a lot to me. The scenario is a work of fiction. The scenario relates to the coronavirus pandemic going on as of May 25, 2020. The scenario contains valid emergency alert system tones. Misuse of these tones is very illegal and the content creator will not be held responsible for any misuse of valid emergency alert system tones. Viewer discretion is advised.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Portland Police Department and the Centers for Disease Control. At 2:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, an unknown virus has been spreading across Portland, Oregon. This virus is believed to be a mutated version of COVID-19, but this cannot be confirmed at this time. Symptoms of this virus include coughing, sneezing, chest pain, fever, chills, muscle pain, sore throat, runny nose. Hospitals are being overrun by infected patients. If you are showing symptoms, isolate yourself and take yourself to the hospital if needed. Stay tuned to local news outlets for more information on this developing situation. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Centers for Disease Control. At 2:55 Pacific Standard Time, patients going to the hospital because of the new disease have been showing much worse symptoms. These symptoms include pneumonia, coughing blood, vomiting blood, and skin lesions. Death usually occurs 30 minutes after these symptoms show. The virus, now named COVID-25, is confirmed to be a mutated version of COVID-19. These counties of Oregon will be quarantined: Jefferson, Sherman, Wesco, Wheeler, Hood River, and Marion. Stay tuned to local news outlets for more information on this dangerous situation. This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the White House, or one of his representatives will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by, please stand by, please stand by. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government and North Aerospace Defense Command. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Please do not turn off your radio or television, as this pertains to an ongoing national crisis. At 6:25 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, the United States government has made the decision to nuke the epicenter of COVID-25, which is Portland, Oregon. The nuclear bomb will drop at 7:30 p.m. There are three immediate dangers to when a nuclear bomb drops: light, blast, and heat wave. Do not look at the explosion, you will go blind. Go to a fallout shelter. If no such shelter is available, head to an interior room with as little doors and windows as possible in a sturdy building. Gather 14 days worth of food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio for your stay at the shelter. Do not let people with COVID-25 stay in the shelter. Doing so will put you at risk of getting infected. Do not leave your shelter. Fallout will be present for 14 days. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear explosions or attacks. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. It will only take a minute for fallout to spread. Effects of fallout will be felt from as far as 50 miles away. President Donald Trump will deliver a speech shortly over the emergency alert system. If you are 45 miles away from Portland, Oregon, please evacuate now as you will have time to get away. Freeway speeds are now 150 miles per hour, so people who are far enough away to escape can.
Gentlemen, President Donald Trump.
My fellow Americans, the United States government and I have made the most tough decision is United States history. At 7:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a nuclear bomb will be launched from northern Idaho to hit Portland, Oregon. Do not waste any time. Find a fallout shelter and 14 days of supplies to survive a nuclear explosion. This was a worst-case scenario option, and we were in a worst-case scenario. Portland quarantines failed and we had to prevent a Black Death scenario. When the fallout clears, Portland will be rebuilt and better. We must unite under one nation, under God.
Was a message from President Donald Trump. We now return to the emergency alert system.
COVID-25 is expected to die out as the nuclear bomb drops, as it cannot survive the heat. If you are infected with COVID-25 and are showing severe symptoms, you will likely not survive to see the nuclear bomb drop, so please do not take shelter, as you will die anyway and are putting others in the shelter at risk of catching COVID-25. The emergency alert system has been activated. All clear. I repeat, all clear. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. The nuclear fallout from the nuclear bomb 2 weeks ago has passed. It is now safe to leave your shelter. If you evacuated, do not return home, as there is literally no home to return to. FEMA is establishing emergency shelters in Seattle, Washington, Olympia, Washington, Ocean Shores, Washington, Boise, Idaho, Sacramento, California. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency. Normal programming can now resume.
That was another mock EAS scenario by the EAS guy. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe and share to a friend so more people can see this. I apologize for my lack of uploading. Do not follow any instructions from this video. Do not use this video as a prank either. Thank you. Have a great day.